Hi teachers, I hope this video finds you well. We're so appreciative of you and all that you're doing right now to prepare for students. We know there's a lot on your plate. So I wanted to make sure that you're all aware of some resources that Benchmark has for you in Benchmark Universe for distance learning. This is something new that they released at the end of the year when we shut down due to COVID-19, and they're also providing it for us for Unit 1 and Unit 2. For this year, they don't have a launch, but they do have Unit 1 and Unit 2, and it's a lot of nice resources. So let's jump in and find out how to get there. We're going to click on the SSO Hub icon. That's going to take you through Class Link, and it's going to take you to this selection, and you're going to click on the benchmark icon under Online Textbooks. And then one more time on your benchmark icon. I'm already logged in previously, so it's going straight into my account. If you need to log in, it's your number with your password. So here we are at Virtual Learning. That's where the resources are. You're going to find these here. So let's click there. Now let's scroll down. In Round Rock ISD, we have Benchmark Workshop and Benchmark Taller. Taller is for dual language teachers. That's the Spanish component. And so we're going to go down to distance learning activities. That's what we're going to find. If you scroll down, you can also see other things like story time with Wiley Blevins, who's the author of the phonics. There's lots of things here for you. So let's go to the distance learning activities. There's lots of information you're going to want to read, but I'm just going to drive you quickly to this part that says Distance Learning Activities. They've set up a Google folder that's going to have everything. So you see Reader's Workshop, Phonics and Word Study, Writer's Workshop, as well as the Taller components. And so then you're going to go to Google Drive folder to find all those in one spot. If that's easier, you can also add this to your drive and the shortcut, and now you can see there's the 3 components that we have. There's also some helpful how-to videos on some suggestions on getting started with some of this. So hopefully this is really helpful for you. You can peruse and just know that it's there. So like if I'm in first grade English, I want the workshop, you can see we're going to go to Unit 1. There's some PDFs here, some things set up. So hopefully you can use some of this. Hopefully it helps you. Hopefully it saves you some time. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions. You can also talk to your instructional coach. I'm Julie DeLeon, and I hope you have a great week. Take care.